Good morning, all. Okay, so how are you doing? Doing good? Very good. Okay, babies, today we have our EVS class, and today's date is 19th January 2021, and day is Tuesday. Day is Tuesday, and today's topic is animals. Today we'll talk about animals. Okay, so babies, do you know that animals have their babies? Yes, and we call them with different names. Okay, so we'll discuss today about the animals young one. Okay, so let's start. Read the instruction first. Animals, A-N-I-N-E, M-A-L-S, animals and their babies. Animals and their babies. Okay, so just have a look. You will open book The Little Explorer book B. The Little Explorer book B we are doing, and you will open page number 118. Page number 118, 118. Okay, so let's read the instruction. Look at the pictures. These are animals and their young ones. So we call them young ones. Babies of animals are their young ones. Okay, so what is the first animal? Which is the first animal? This is a sheep. What is this? This is a sheep. And what do you call sheep's baby? We call it lamb. So sheep's baby is lamb, and dog's baby you all know, pup. Dog baby is a pup. And pig's baby is a piglet. What do we call? Piglet. And donkey's baby is a foal. Cat's baby is a kitten. One more time. Sheep's baby is lamb. Dog is pup. Pig, piglet. Donkey, foal. Cat, kitten. Okay. Now the next page. Horse, foal. And donkey's baby is also a foal. Donkey and horse babies are called foal. Goat, kid. Goat, kid. Goat's baby is kid. Cow, calf. Cow's baby is calf. Duck, duckling. Duck, ducklings. Okay. Hen, chick. Hen, chick. And crow's baby is also chick. Okay. So one more time. Horse, foal. Donkey's baby is also a foal. Goat, kid. Cow, calf. Duck, duckling. Hen, chick. Okay. One more time. Sheep, lamb. Dog, pup. Pig, piglet. Donkey, foal. Cat, kitten. Okay. Now open page number 120. Animals and their young ones. Now they are wild animals. Before this we were doing domestic animals. Okay. These are pet animals, you can say. Okay. Now we are doing the wild animals. Look at the pictures. These are some more animals and their young ones. Okay. So what is this? It's a tiger. Tiger's baby is cub. Tiger's baby is a cub. And elephant baby is a calf. And what do you call a cow's babies? That is also a calf. Elephant baby is also a calf. Bear baby is cub. Tiger and bear's baby are called cub. Fox baby is pup. Okay. What do you call a dog's baby? Pup. So dog and fox, both of them look alike also, no? Yes, they look. Fox also looks like a dog. Okay, and their babies are called pup. Fox baby is also a pup, and dog's baby is also a pup. Now the next is bear. Bear baby is cub, and tiger's baby is a cub. Rhino. Rhino's baby is also a calf. Cow's baby is a calf. Elephant's baby is a calf, and rhino's baby is a calf. Okay. So now the next page. Oh my God, giraffe baby is also called a calf. Okay. Monkey's baby is infant. We call human baby is also infant. lion's baby is cub. Okay, so tiger's baby is a cub, bear baby is a cub, and lion's baby is also a cub. Crow baby is a chick. Okay, crow baby is a chick, and hen's baby is also a chick. Eagle's baby is a eaglet, and pig's baby is a piglet. Okay, so revise these at home one more time, and now we are doing it on the board. So look at the board carefully. So the first animal is cow. Cow. O-W. Cow. Cow baby is a calf. And elephant's baby is a calf. Yes, rhino baby is a calf. And one more, giraffe's baby is also a calf. Okay, so cow baby is a calf. F. Babies, we are not calling it calf. This is the calf. L is silent here. Alright. So L is silent. Calf. Okay. Lion's baby is a cub. L-A-N. Lion. This baby is a cub. And tiger's baby is also a cub. Yes. And bear baby is also a cub. Lion's baby is also a cub. Okay. Now deer. We call deer's baby a, what do we call deer baby? Fawn. Okay. F-A-W-N. Fawn. Okay. Now the next is pig. And what do you call pig's baby? Piglet. What do we call it? Piglet. P-I-G-L-E-T. Piglet. Alright. And goat baby is a kid. G-O-A-T. Goat baby is kid. Next is sheep. Who will tell me what do we call sheep's baby? It's a lamb. Lamb. Okay. And dog's baby is a pup or puppy. And fox baby is also a puppy. Alright. And the last but not the least is a cat. And cat baby is a kitten. Cat. And we call its baby a kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N. Kitten. Okay, so one more time, let's revise it. Cow, baby is calf. Lion, cub. Deer, fawn. Pig, piglet. Goat, kid. Sheep, lamb. Dog, puppy. Cat, kitten. Okay, so this work you are going to do in your EVS notebook. Alright. Okay. Now, today we'll revise sphere shape. Which shape? Sphere shape. Vandana ma'am have told you this thing. Yes or no? Yes? Okay, so one more time, let's revise. So, it looks like a ball. Sphere look like a ball. Okay? Sphere the sphere is my name. A ball and I look the same. Turn me anywhere, I look the same. Isn't it that wow? Yes? Okay. So, what do you see? Can you give me some sphere shape things name? Laddu, ball, globe, and you like it very much, lollipop. Yes? Okay, and globe also. Now babies, we are going to do one activity related to this. This is page number 69 from your colors and shape book. Okay, open this page, and what you have to do here, cotton pasting shape sphere. Make a sphere using cotton and paste it. So what we have to do, we'll take cotton. Okay, this is a cotton. Okay, now with your hands, do it a sphere shape. Give it a sphere shape. Okay. Yes. Isn't it looking like a ball? Like this? Yes. So, if you will turn it, you will find the same from everywhere. Yes. So now, I have also made it. You also made it at home. Take white cotton, and what you have to do, you have to place some Fevicol here, and then you have to stick it in your book. Alright. So, I am taking this Fevicol. I am applying Fevicol over it. And then what we have to do, we have to stick it here in your book like this. Okay, write down your name and date. Okay, and your grade, prep. Alright. So this work you are going to do, this is page number 69 from the book Colors and Shape. Alright. Okay, babies. So this is all for today. Revise all the babies' name of animals. I hope you will do it and you like the class. Yes. Okay. Have a nice day.